All right, everyone. So with this simple and logic way, you can start bagging about $0.06 worth of USDT on the Block20 network for yourself. So to start, you have to first of all complete a recap chat, join the Telegram channel, join the Telegram group, follow us on Facebook, and submit your BNB wallet address. Now, these are simple steps, simple things you're going to be doing, and it's very easy, very straightforward. So all you have to do is to watch this video, get a glance of every single thing, and follow up with every single thing. So first things first, we're going to click on the continue icon right over here, and this is going to pop up our recap chat for us. All right, so what you need to do is for you to complete the recap chat which is provided, and once you are able to complete a recap chat, just send it in, it automatically verified. Now once you have a recap chat verified, what you're going to be doing next is to join the community first, and you must do this. All right, so you have to join the first channel. Now the first channel has over 18,200 members right over here. Once you click on to join, you're automatically going to be part of it, and once you're able to join, you can automatically follow up on the official website which is provided right here. You can click on it to register right from here, and then you can go to the group section, and over to the group they have over 792. Click on to join, and you can automatically join them right over here. All right, now if you notice on the group section, you're going to be notice these are all withdrawal payouts, people withdrawing from here, and these are all received payout from this particular project. Right, so what you're going to be doing next is that after you complete every single information, you make sure to follow them on Facebook. All right, so you click on I have joined. Now the icon to click on I have joined have actually been shown down there. Then you're going to see right here where they say you have to follow them on their Facebook page, and what you will need to do is to make sure to follow them on their Facebook page. So what you will need to do is for you to click right here, come to their Facebook page, and give them a follow. All right, so once you give them a follow, head over straight to the Telegram community once more, and make sure every single thing loads out successfully. And once every single thing is being loaded out successfully, you're going to be seeing an icon where you can basically like get access to all the information you're going to be needing. And once you join, all right, so they say send us your Facebook profile page example. You can basically send your Facebook profile link right over like this. All right, so the follow icon is provided right over here. What you're just going to do is to head over straight to your Facebook, send in your profile, and that's basically all. So for instance, you can come to your profile. All right, so you can basically see this is my profile right over here. You can easily share your profile to them, and once you're able to share your profile with them, you're going to be able to get access to like request for your withdrawal, or actually drop out your wallet address. All right, so what you're going to be doing is for you to click on this section. Let's say we basically want to share profile, then we're going to be able to copy out the link. Once we're able to copy out the link right from here, we'll head over straight to the project, and right on this section, paste down the link, and then we'll send it over. All right, so once you're able to send this, you can see verify your Facebook account, please wait, and you can basically see these are just the major steps you will need to follow and to complete every single thing. All right, so once every single thing is being complete, you can see right here verification successful, user following the page of fans, and you can see right here submit your wallet address, and you'll be good to go. So you have to send in your BNB smart chain, your BEP20 wallet address, and you have to read through all this. So for you to get a BNB wallet address, you can go to your Bybit, your Kucom, any of your exchanges for instance, and then make sure to click on the deposit, click on the USDT, and once you're able to click on the USDT, make sure to navigate to the BLC BEP20, click on it, and once you click on it, then make sure to swipe and copy the wallet address. And what you need to do next is to come over right here and paste it down and then send. This is basically all. Now once you're able to complete this, you're going to be able to get your invite link. With this invite link, anybody basically refer right to the system. You earn a certain amount for each person you're referring to the system, and you can automatically get to withdraw straight to the wallet address which you just save up right over here. So every withdrawals you're making automatically gets sent to the withdrawal address, and you can request for your wallet address, and you can request for your invite link. So the invite link is provided. Share this to your community, share this to your friends, and you can basically get access to every single thing. Now for you to withdraw, you have to click on the withdraw menu, and you have to select a certain amount. All right, so the minimum withdrawal amount is also being set right here, and you can see every single information that you basically need. So once you're able to set every single information, you can see your withdrawal verification and every single thing, and you can get your payout as fast as possible. Check out your status, check out the channels and every single thing. Make sure every single thing is done correctly. Mind you, this is available on Telegram, and you can start making money with your Telegram account right now. Stay tuned for more update. I wish you guys all the best.